dahil special day po ngayon, gusto po namin kayong batiin ng Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day po sa lahat ng ating katatayan, and Happy Father's Day din sa daddy ko, Daddy Roy. Kung napapanood mo man to, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na salamat and I love you. Salamat sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin. Salamat sa pagsasakripisyo mo, and salamat dahil ikaw yung naging daddy ko. And ayoko na umabato and ayoko na umiyak. Basta Happy Father's Day. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you.
Happy Father's Day sa mga katatayan natin sa Bethany at sa Nazarethville. Sana lagi niyong alam na yung life niyo is blessing sa aming mga anak niyo. Kaya ang prayer namin is patuloy kayong maging malakas at healthy at happy para sa family niyo. God bless you.
Father's Day, Daddy. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. We love you and God bless.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
You're our protector, guide, and our hero.
We are so grateful that we have you in our life. We love you, Papa.
Happy Father's Day po sa lahat ng tatay.
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Tatay, Daddy, Papa.
Happy Father's Day! Daddy Apo!
Happy Father's Day! Ingat ka sa ka!
I love you.
I love you, Baya. Happy Father's Day, Papa! Tapos, thank you na kasi gibay mo kami mga toys. Tapos, yung andyan kami, mag-take care mo kami. Thank you, gilab mo kami. Punta ka ako. Karga mo ako, monkey. Oh, tapos yung baby pa ako, gikarga mo ako. Nakita ko yung video. Thank you, Papa, sa lahat. I love you. And my family, ano kami, malayo. We still love you. Tapos si Jer naman. And God bless. Si Jer naman.
Jaro. Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your sacrifice for us. And thank you for everything that you gave us. And I pray that you'll be healthy and happy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy Josh. We love you.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. I love you. Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Enjoy your day.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you.
Papa, Father's Day. Siyempre, thank you Lord kasi ikaw ang tatay ko. Ikaw binigay niyo na maging papa ko. Thank you rin kasi ikaw yung binigay ni mama na napangasawa niya. And thank you sa maraming bagay. Siyempre, ikaw yung magaling ka mag-provide, masipag, matyaga. At siyempre, higit sa lahat, may takot ka sa Lord.
Hi, Tito Ricky. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy Jacob and Lolo Jeff. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy Jacob and Lolo Jeff. Love you.
Happy Father's Day to the man who taught me the value of hard work, determination, and never giving up on my dreams. Thank you for bringing love, acceptance, and joy all these 2 years. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you.
Happy Father's Day!